Okay, so my next step, I got that blended in pretty good, and that's drying. Now I've got to take all this stuff out, and then after I seal this tomorrow, I'm going to be on easy street. I'm not going to have anything else to do. I'm just going to sit here and just veg.
Excuse me?
What?
There's 3 more projects.
3 more projects? What the heck? What do you mean?
There's a light switch in the bathroom.
Well, show me what's happening here. I see there's a cover here. Do I have to do anything with this cover?
Oh, that goes on the AC return air.
Oh, that's the return air thing right here. And I've got to put that back on there and screw that on. Okay, that's no biggie. Okay, what's happening in here?
This.
Oh! Look at this.
It works.
No lie, this thing is intermittent. This light, okay, leave that light switch on. Leave it on. Because what I'll end up doing is I want to figure out which breaker it is outside, because this light switch has been giving her fits. She ended up getting a new light switch, and this costs less than $1 at the store. It's just a single pole light switch. I'm going to have to take this apart, and I'll show you how to do that on another video. And that goes up to this light right here. At first I thought the light bulb was burned out. I took that all apart, and then the light switch was intermittent, which means sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Okay, what else was there that has to be done?
A light fixture in the study.
Oh no.
I know.
What do you mean a light? I thought there was a light up there.
There's a light bulb, but
Oh yeah.
it's not.
And see, what did we get to replace that with? Here, show what we got here. See? That looks pretty cool. That was like $20 at the store. $20 at the store. You can spend anywhere up to $50 for something like that. And see, the reason why I decided to get something like this, see how big this trim is? And I measured up here because that trim piece right there, that's going to come down, and it was almost 11 inches in diameter. My thought was it might have marked up the ceiling where the cottage cheese ceiling is, or maybe if they painted the cottage cheese ceiling years ago, when I take that out, this could all be yellowed in there. And so I wanted to get something that was big enough, and so I measured it at the store, and this dome is like 11 inches. And so that's going to go up there. That's going to be kind of easy. And of course, hey, I'll make a video of that too. The other thought was she was going to decide to put a ceiling fan up in there. And the thought was to get a hugger ceiling fan, kind of like this ceiling fan here. See how big that trim is? And the thought was that this ceiling fan is kind of old, and it's kind of a small one with smaller blades. It might be 48-inch blades, and you can get them up to 52, I think 52-inch is standard. 52 inches all the way across, let's say. Okay, so the blades aren't 52 inches, the whole thing is, and I could have taken that down and I could have put that up there, but for the sake of argument, then you've got to buy another ceiling fan for here, and the next one would have to be the same type, have to be big enough for that. Well, that was going to be $150 or so, and so she opted for this other light right here that's going to go up right there. Okay, that's all then, right? Oh, something else? Okay, yes. Something else. My work is never done. Something else, what is it?
I'm going to install this on the porch light.
The jelly jar.
The jelly jar.
The jelly jar. That's what they called it at the store, huh? Mm-hmm. And it faces downwards like that. Okay, go ahead and open that. Let's see what you got here. I thought there was a light fixture up there already. And you know what? There is one up there, but you see how it's all been broken and stuff? That's because there was a bird nest up there, and the cover came off and it broke and stuff. And so this little jelly jar fixture, it was like $10. That's it. Now they had some up to $50 you could have, and that one's going to face down. This one faces up. And when you're way out at the street, this light kind of hides up above where the rafter fascia boards are. So the other one's going to be facing down. So the jelly jar is going to be towards the bottom, you know, right in there, so it's facing down. Okay, that should be a fairly easy fix too. Whew. I think I got off easy. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.